Hi folks, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Doing a quick video for you here. This is a beautiful Howard Miller grandfather clock. This is in our estate auction that ends on Thursday, March the 2nd, 2023. If you have any questions, again, call us at 812-320-0130, and you can also text that number. It stands about 6.5 feet tall. It's about 21 inches at the widest point up top. It has the three center weights for it, so there's no winding of a key or anything like that. It is running. This gentleman, it's a one-owner clock. He bought it in, or received it in 1980, November of 1980. And it's got the brass Howard Miller tag right there with the serial number on it. To get into the side of it, you just remove this panel, and you can get into it very easily there. Okay, and we're going to show you the chime on it, let you listen to it. So you very gently, it chimes on the quarter hour. Go very, very slow when you do this. Once again, this is in our online estate auction here in Bloomington, Indiana. It's on South Fieldcrest Drive in a condominium. It's located right inside the front door, so you can take it right out that way. I would suggest bringing a two-wheel hand truck, maybe some moving pads, and a box for your weights. Again, 812-320-0130. Thank you very much.